What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the 12 days of Christmas. Welcome to the 12 days of Christmas. I don't know how to rap, so I can freestyle, not freestyle. And that's why I can't rap. Anyways, thank you guys so much for popping in today. As you can see from the look, I am bringing you burr. I am bringing you so icy, bringing you snowball effect. You know what I mean? So I'm bringing you guys a snowball inspired look. I was thinking, you know, a little spotlight eye, a little glitter, you know what I'm saying? A little starry night in the back, you know? I did that for you guys. Obviously you guys can always swap out the lip and make this more like, you know, wearable. I just wanted to have fun. It's been a while since I've created some looks, so I'm just coming up with all the things. So I hope that you guys enjoy it, and if you want to see how I put this together, make sure that you stay tuned. And if you're new here, you better make sure you hit subscribe if you want to see some more from this channel. Hope you guys enjoy.